Hey, I say, little sister, can you find another place to dive? I'm fishing right here. What diving? I'm about to jump. Jump into the river. What's up? Did you have a breakup, little sister? Or is it online loan debt collectors? No matter how big the problem is, don't throw your life away. Calm down, calm down. Let me give you some counseling. Ah. No one loves me. Why is heaven treating me like this? Little sister, since you don't plan on living anymore, I see you look pretty attractive. How about going to the nearby woods with me to discuss life? You pervert. How is this being a pervert? This is called being honest with each other. Tell you the truth. Even if you jump down, I can still. Hey. You think I can't handle you? Lu Feng, stop wasting time with that bridge pier. The culture fish are jumping downstream. Holy crap, save a spot for me. Be right there. Told you to come earlier. You just had to stick to that crappy bridge pier. You don't know, Jack. Giant things hide under bridge piers. Besides, I just saved a life. Saving people? Bragging is free, I guess. Right? Holy crap, a giant. It's definitely a giant catch. Wait, if it's a fish, why is it shouting in pain? Quick, go, grab my leg, quick. Lao Feng, you caught a mermaid. And she's alive. Wait, man. I'm saying you should pick a better place for wild swimming. Why are you crashing into my fishing line? Holy crap, little sister. It's you again, you pervert. Why is it you again? Is this never ending? Are you picking a fight with this river? She was just about to jump off the bridge earlier. I scared her off with a bunch of philosophy. Man, she came here for a sequel. Scared the hell out of me. Sister, 3 years minimum, death penalty maximum. Do I look like the kind of idiot who'd break the law? Stop it, sending her to the hospital is what matters. Come on, you lift the head. I'll lift the legs. This posture isn't great, right? It looks like a body disposal scene. Then what? Should I carry her? She just called me a pervert. Didn't you hear? Don't jump anymore. Sister, I give up. I'll call an ambulance for you, this guy. Where are you going? Changing fishing spots? The window of opportunity won't wait. You're just going to dump her on me? Just take her to the hospital and be done with it. We finally got a day off. I haven't had enough of fishing yet. Short of breath. Damn, it's flooded. Chen Han, come back. All right, stop standing there. I'll take you to the hospital on my bike. Hey. Never ridden an e-bike before? Sister, can you not hold me so tight? I'm afraid of falling off. Hello, officer. E-bike passenger not wearing a helmet as required. That's a 50 yuan fine. You owe me 50. Ah. Doctor, can I borrow your phone to make a call? My phone is water damaged. I need to call someone to bring money. Yeah, hello old lie. Emergency help needed. I'm at the hospital. My phone got wet. Bring some money quickly. Yes, Central Hospital, Stop asking so many questions. Just come, thanks. Registration, payment, and medicine in the lobby. Luo Feng? Oh, Luo Feng? What kind of trouble have you caused? Who is this? My nightmare, I'm going to be late for my date. Leaving now, after finishing treating his wound. Check his brain while you're at it. He's not quite right here. Come for a tetanus shot tomorrow. Let's go. Hey, little sister. Why are you still following me? Going home with you. Going home with me? Go back to your own home. What's the deal with you following me? Fine. Get on. My lord? Hello, comrade. Electric bike passenger failed to wear helmet as required. Fine of 50. Owe me another 50. See that? Just one bed. Even a mouse would leave in tears. How about I find you a hotel? I sleep on the bed, you sleep on the sofa, or what? Hey, how did you jump so fast? Luo Feng, this is a dream. This must be a dream. Ah. It really was a dream. Heaven is not kind to me. What are you laughing at? I'm hungry. Do you want some noodles? You eat raw garlic? So what? Eating noodles without garlic loses half the flavor. Do you understand? Don't want to die anymore? Yeah. Ah. I'll go wash the dishes. Sorry, I've never washed dishes before. Good grief, you really were spoiled at home. Never even washed a dish. Ah. Sure enough, I was right. She really was raised in seclusion. She was originally the daughter of a wealthy family in a big city. The first 20 years of her life were smooth sailing. She had everything she wanted. But not long ago, her dad suddenly brought back a girl and showed a paternity test saying there was a mix-up back then. Once the DNA was done, her world collapsed. Her adoptive parents actually wanted to keep her, but the real daughter wouldn't agree. Her fiancé's family also suddenly changed their tune, saying they value bloodlines, huh? So she was packed up and sent back to her biological parents. But she heard from that real daughter that her biological parents prefer boys over girls. And she has a younger brother. She was so scared she didn't dare go back. After wandering in the city for a few days, the more she thought, the more desperate she became. So she thought of jumping into the river. And then she met me, this unlucky fisherman and temporary landlord. Seeing that I didn't believe her, she anxiously pulled out a bank card. There's 5 million in here. I earned it myself starting a business in college. If you don't believe me, I'll prove it to you. Current balance, 5 million yuan. Me, an ordinary fisherman, HMPH, picked up a rich woman and brought her home. Aren't you afraid I might be a bad person? You're a good person, a good person. Yesterday I even partnered with Chen Han to trick an old man into saying his house had bad feng shui. Heavy yin energy, suitable for a low-price takeover. Luo Feng, what kind of work do you do? Sales. Selling what? Second-hand housing. I admit I scam people. But I saved you. You said I'm a good person. Then I guess I am. Sorry, did your phone get water damaged because of me? Tomorrow I'll accompany you. A boss can't be reached. You're not answering your phone either. Tomorrow we have to. Ouch. Holy crap, how did you manage to bring him down? Are you two dating now? She has nowhere else to go. Stay at my place for now. Don't overthink it. It's good that the beauty has come around. Come, let me toast you. Ouch, oh dear. Sorry about that. Hey Finnair. I'll ask for leave for you tomorrow. You don't need to come. I'm heading out first. Your friend, he's a bit off in the head. Now even the sofa is unusable for sleeping. Chen Han, I thank your whole family. The next day I accompanied Zhang Jiang to the bank to withdraw money. I was as alert as a bodyguard in a movie. As if someone was going to rob us at any moment. Okay, mainly to rob him. Then went to buy the latest model of phone. To compensate you, see if you like it. Wait, you really don't plan on leaving? I'll stay at your place for a while. I can pay rent, okay? You're the god of wealth. You call the shots. Look at the clock. Let's go. The god of wealth is taking you for an injection. You young couple, be more careful when you go out next time. Fishing and swimming. Remember, safety first. Doctor, you've misunderstood. We aren't that. Keep making things up. Keep going. Even made up a fishing story. And a hair-saving tea beauty story while you're at it. You deserve it. V. 200,000 to help me find my biological parents. Boss, I have something tomorrow, no need to ask for leave. You're fired. So heartless? I'm sorry. Caused you to lose your job. Don't say that. Benefactor no, Ms. Jiang. I've wanted to quit for a long time. This family looks quite kind. Doesn't look like they prefer boys over girls. I'll go meet them tomorrow. I'm like a well-trained amateur secret agent, wandering back and forth near his biological parents' home. Then, be careful. That person in black looks like a dog thief. Give me 2 dishes. I just ordered 2 dishes. Observing secretly while eating. Hey. Mom, my sister isn't back yet. Didn't you call that family to ask? Here it comes, here it comes. The blood-sucking younger brother appears. That family's phone won't go through at all. Your dad has been out looking, spent thousands. You go out and look for her in a bit too. Hey little brother, heard you're looking for someone? I have experience. Professional at finding people for 20 years. Want help? How much? 10,000. You're too much of a rip-off. Do I look like someone who has 10,000? Actually, I wanted to say, I only have 800 from tutoring a classmate. You look first. Who are you looking for? My sister, my biological sister. I said long ago that buy whoever wasn't my sister. She should come back less to help you make money and get a wife. Big brother, are you okay? That's my biological sister. Why would I have her help me get a wife? Are you sick in the head? I haven't finished speaking yet. That kid said. That's his relative blood-related. He's looking for her out of family love. Not to suck her blood. It's completely different from what he said. Seeing is believing. That real heiress probably didn't tell many truths either. Do you know how to do makeup? Yeah. Ah. How did you do this? Disguise art. This is a girl's basic skill. Okay, big sister, take it easy. It's already bleeding at home. Oops, sorry. We're closed today, you two. I have to find my daughter, old Lou. Hurry up. What are you dawdling for? Hey, aren't you that psycho from yesterday? Baby, why do you have to find your sister? Is the psychiatric hospital gate broken? You two escaped as a group, didn't you? You two heroes. I only have 800 in my pocket. This big brother already saw it yesterday. Really nothing left, answer my question. Don't cry. Big sis, I'll talk. That's my biological sister. Born of the same mother. How can I not look for her? Family ties, do you understand? It's that blood relation. Do you like your sister? I do what younger brother doesn't like his sister. I used to suck up to her every day but got ignored. Luckily she wasn't biological. Little brother. Ending, the ending of Xiao Sui. Oh, okay. Sis. My sister is back. Really? She's at the door. I knew she was an ungrateful wolf. Almost made my biological sister jump into the river. Silly child. How could dad let your brother leech off you? Is that what a human does? That child looking at their family reunion. Thinking of the 200,000 reward about to be received. I turned and left happily. Ding 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 dong, ding 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 ding. What are you doing? Bro, are you going home? You've already gone home. Still following me back? Of course, I've agreed with mom and dad. Go back with you first. Everyone get to know each other slowly. Otherwise, it's a bit awkward. Kid, you saved my daughter. I thank you, but you'd better not have any bad intentions. Be nicer to my sister, or I won't let you off. Wait, did you guys misunderstand something? In the following days, it's about JN. No, she's called Lu Jiyin now. Going to the small restaurant during the day. Building a relationship with parents and brother. Coming back on time at night to keep hogging my bed. Quick, taste what I learned from my mom. This taste is so delicious. Lu Feng, you actually hid smelly socks under your mattress. Big sis, I'm a bachelor. Saving socks for a week to wash together. Isn't this basic operation? No, from today on, you can't. Well, this is more than just the nth time she bossily remodeled my living state. What are you doing looking for a job? Eldest miss. Your 200,000 won't support me for a lifetime. Luobu, this photo is so beautiful. Where did you take it? Taken in my hometown in northeast China. It's so pretty, I've never seen it. You're a little rich girl, haven't you traveled? I only remember endless extra classes. Piano, violin, etiquette. Even who I make friends with needs their approval. I have no freedom. Lao Fu, take me to the northeast. Big sis, stop joking around. I still have to look for a job. Oh, just for a few days. Take me. Okay, we'll go, alright? Soda, you can't drink it. That time of the month is here. How do you know? Nonsense. I'm not blind. Love you? No, absolutely not. Take me with you, take me with you. I've taken piano, violin, and etiquette classes since I was a child. I have no weekends. No holidays. No freedom. Okay. Go ahead, put on more clothes if it gets cold. Call me when you arrive. Your principal is that temporary workers are busy. Must book 2 rooms. Did you hear me? The old man is really making a fuss about the cold. Even a house thief doesn't copy like you. Is it this carriage? Yes, an ignorant answer. A Feng has already arrived in the northeast. Take me to see your hometown. Yeah, my parents haven't lived in the hometown for a long time. The 2 of them are working in the south now. The house in the hometown has been empty for several years. Why does this little face make me feel a bit uneasy? Bearing it alone. I maintain the fatigue. Could it be that if I go to sleep earlier? Don't go out with him at night. Dad, good night. Checking up again like the ring, what's up, A Feng? You look quite handsome when you're fishing. The kind of handsome that comes from within. Nonsense, when is your brother not cool? I'm not a fool. We've all noticed during this time. Some things are quietly changing. This and that, take all of these back. By your side, it's still pure romance. Ignorant answer, Mom and Dad. Xiaodi, we're back. And we brought you lots of good stuff. It's the real heiress Zhang Yoying. Seems like you're doing quite well. This person behind you is your boyfriend? Is there something you've come to my house for? Xiao Jiao, I. Don't call me that, it's disgusting. I have a boyfriend. What the hell are you writing? Right. Strict prevention. Hard to guard against a thief within. This cabbage was finally rooted up. I'm afraid this person won't even look at you. The cup is 5 yuan. If you break it, you have to pay. Ah. Is it convenient to chat privately for a bit? It's fine, wait for me. Stool is 25. You. On what grounds are you with Jaya? What's your family background? On the grounds that he likes me? Family background? 3 generations of poor peasants, no problem there. You're just a hillbilly. You don't deserve him at all. First, Sambalao is a brand of chicken feet. Second, from a biological standpoint, the 2 have no reproductive isolation. A perfect match, you're simply a hooligan. What a coincidence. I just like hooligans. Xiao Jiao, don't call me that. It's disgusting. Now please leave my house. Jiayin, could it be that cheese? Let's go. Let's go. My sister doesn't welcome you. Mom and Dad. Wait, let me explain. It's just eating too many cranberries on the way and getting acid reflux. I've been eating well all the way. The two of us are innocent, right? After some discussion, finally reached a conclusion. Jiaying must live at home. No delays. Nothing, just a bit of insomnia. Is it because you were thinking of me? Yes, I was thinking of you. I like you. And you? Do you like me? Who asks so directly like that? I've never been in a relationship, but I figured it out. That kind of gut-wrenching. That feeling of being uneasy. It should be liking. But your conditions are so good. Don't think too much. I like you too. Holy crap. My mom asked me to help my sister move her luggage. Come in, we'll go back together later. Tell me, how much hush money are you planning to pay? This mouth of mine is very expensive. Pick it yourself, limit is 5,000. I've been waiting for these shoes for a long time. Yesterday. What exactly did Jiang Yuing talk about? She said she regrets it. The Yu family has a terrifying number of rules, learning this and that every day. None of those wealthy socialites are sincere. That kid from the Fu family doesn't like her either. Anyway, seeing that I'm happier than her, she had a mental breakdown. Suggest she also try the place where I jumped into the river. Maybe she can also fish out someone like you. Just talking nonsense. Learned it from you. By the way, Feng, come with me to pick someone up in a bit. Who is it? My best friend, the daughter of the He family. She's closest to me. Ah. Who? Girls' friendship is truly a mystery. Hello, brother-in-law. My name is He Yuan. I watched the videos you two filmed in the Northeast. The scenery is great. You two are also very photogenic. The most important thing is that the interaction between you two is very natural. Very loving. What does this mean? Yuan started her own new media company. She wants to sign us as the main influencers for her content. Brother-in-law, I've seen those videos of you fishing. The scenery is beautiful. You're also quite handsome. It's just that the shooting angles are a bit like a straight man's death perspective. My company has a professional team that can help improve the quality. What do you think? I've never touched this industry. I'm not sure about it, but I think we can try. Traveling and recording life with you. Just thinking about it. I'm already looking forward to it. Okay, I'll listen to you. Anyway, my dad often says, our family tradition is to listen to the wife. Alarm, alarm. Help check in. Buddy, hurry up. Listen to me, let's get our stories straight. Just say we're discussing a collaboration in a cafe. Just like that, Lu Jiayin and I signed with He Yuan. We became the first travel couple bloggers promoted by her company. The only thing that hasn't changed is Dad Leo. He still guards against me like I'm a thief. Every time he looks at me, it's like he's looking at a wild boar about to root up his cabbage. Hey. Hey, you little brat, dating without even telling your parents. Mom, listen to me. Hello, Auntie. I'm Xiao Yin. Yeah. Okay, Auntie, open my window. We must meet. I'll arrange it immediately. MMHMM. I knew it was you. I was wondering why this kid looked more and more familiar. Good grief, it turns out to be you, you old stubborn donkey. I'll support my daughter for a lifetime. And I won't marry her off to your kid. Hey, you say she won't marry, and that's it? What you say doesn't count, aren't you mad? Just to spite you, I don't agree, daughter, find someone else. Okay, what's going on here? Didn't I go to high school over by your great aunt's place? This old guy was my classmate. I was first in exams. He was second, at the sports meet. I carried the flag, he blew the horn. We were in the same squad in the army, training. I was first, he was second. In the army-wide competition. Hey, he was still behind me. Ouch, some people haven't beaten me once in their whole life. You shut up. I won't. Hey, just for fun. Dad, I'm pregnant. Oh, my daughter-in-law, sit down. Can't get tired while pregnant. Wait for the waiter to serve the food. Open 2 more bottles of good wine. All right. Why were you fishing for no reason? Don't know how to talk. Don't speak. Mei Chao Xian went fishing. Your daughter would have been gone long ago. I really didn't expect that fishing could catch a girlfriend. So, boyfriend, son. Quickly help your father-in-law back. He hasn't outdrunk me. Ma, me. Brother-in-law, don't be nervous. You'll be on stage in a moment. I'm risking being kicked out of my family. To defect to your side. Don't mess it up. Stop fooling me. This trick doesn't work anymore. Let that kid's family set the date. I only have one request. Be good to my daughter. You've won again. I really didn't expect fishing could catch a wife. Jaja, marry me. Brother-in-law, one leg streaming. I like it H this summer sunshine. The scenery that turns back and fades away. I should also do it properly every day. You two are really my ancestors. Livestream clips are flying all over the web. Now the whole web says you two are the peak of campus couples. And here's what Zhang Yuyan sent. Approaching with a sparkling smile, the toy box overflows. Even if I sing the rhythm, it's off topic. The great angler. Your beauty is here.